The entrepreneurial spirit is the lifeblood of innovation, driving us to create, change, and push boundaries. If you've been nurturing the dream of starting your own supplement company, let's guide you through the process. But before we get started, please give this video a like. Press the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your new business. Here's some good news. The supplement industry is experiencing an extraordinary boom. It's estimated to hit $240.7 billion by 2028 globally, growing at an impressive rate of 8.2% per year. This growth is powered by the increasing focus on health and wellness. So, there's no better time than now to make your entrepreneurial dreams come true. First things first, you'll need a unique product. Think about what gap you're aiming to fill in the market. Is it a protein powder with unique flavors? Or perhaps a vitamin for a specific dietary need? You'll also need to consider the quality of ingredients, the manufacturing process, and of course, the branding. Once you have the product figured out, it's time for the legalities. This is where our organization can help. Welcome to legalregistration.com. We specialize in taking care of all your business registration and licensing steps. When it comes to dealing with the often confusing legal landscape, you don't have to go it alone. Our team of experts can walk you through the entire process of registering your company. That includes obtaining a federal tax ID, registering your business name, and completing all the necessary forms. This might seem overwhelming, but don't worry, we've got you covered. On top of this, if you're in the supplement business, you need to understand the regulatory guidelines set out by the FDA and FTC. With our company by your side, we will guide you to ensure you are on the right side of the law every step of the way. The next step is sourcing and manufacturing. This can often be the most complex part of the process, but remember, the quality of your product is crucial. It's essential to research and find reliable suppliers who meet the high standards your customers will expect. Finally, it's time to market your product. You've created a unique, high-quality supplement, registered your company, and ensured you are compliant with all regulatory guidelines. Now, it's time to share it with the world. Starting a supplement company is a journey filled with challenges, but also immense rewards. It's a chance to make a difference in people's lives, improve their health, and build something you can be proud of. Our organization is here to make the process smoother. We want to support your entrepreneurial dream, and we believe that with the right guidance, you can be the next success story in the booming supplement industry. So, if you're ready to take the leap and start your supplement company, reach out to us at legalregistration.com. Or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps of starting a supplement business? Does the process seem simple or complicated? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.